Alright, let's quickly talk about cleaning the Silex high-speed grill. During the day you will cook your toasted sandwiches, burritos, wraps, etc. And as you can see, your grill has a ribbed texture, top and bottom, which is going to give it the unique BP Wild Bean Cafe Toasty grill marks, something which some of our customers have become used to, and it is a signature indication outside of a well-prepared toasted BP Wild Bean Cafe Toasty. The toasted sandwiches are supplied with margarine on the outside. The result is that when you toast the sandwich, it's going to leave some fat behind on the cooking surface. My suggestion is take your green cloth like this one, fold it double like that, wet it, wring it out so it's dry, so that you have a damp cloth. And then once you've cooked your toasted sandwiches and removed it, you can remove excess food residue with the spatula. And once you've done that, take the damp wet cloth, wipe the top like so, and then also the bottom to remove any excess fat that has stayed behind from toasting the sandwiches. You can see it's hot, you can see the steam coming from it, so be careful when you wipe the grease during the day so that you don't burn yourself with the cloth. Again, I re-emphasize, use a damp cloth, not a wet cloth. Reason being that if it's excessively wet, the water is going to turn into steam and that will burn you. Okay, so use a damp cloth, and if you get grease on there and it gets dirty, then basically take the cloth, rinse it in soapy water, make sure you remove the excess fat and food residue, wring it out, and then you can reuse the cloth again. So very handy. Keep your damp cloth near hand and make sure that you wipe the toaster or the grill after every time that you've cooked food with it. By keeping the grill surface clean during the day will also mean that you have less cleaning to do at the end of the day, where you're going to use the Diversey Suma D3 to clean the grill surface. So best is keep a grill cloth near, and if you have any fat anywhere, wipe it from the grill so that you keep the unit clean during the course of the day.